Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change sizes of particular facial features on your selfies and pictures on the FaceApp application, such as the size of your nose, face and lips. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the gallery button down below, and after that click on a picture that you want to edit. Tap on the third button down below, which is the sizes option, and if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have many options that you can try out, such as the big nose effect. Here your picture is being processed, so you have 4 levels that you can choose from. In the middle of the screen you can see this scale with 4 options indicating the level of this filter. So the size can be chosen by tapping on the relevant number. You can also use the big face effect, making your face bigger. Here you have 5 options that you can choose from. You can also make your nose smaller, your lips bigger, your face smaller, and so on. But you need to purchase the premium to be able to use these other options. So if you are done with applying these filters, tap on the apply button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and you can save your photo in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.